Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Genesis key battery easy guide. Use a small flat screwdriver or a coin to pry the seam gently, separate the two halves, and locate the round battery. Remove the old CR 2032 with tweezers or a fingernail, note the orientation, then insert the new battery positive side up. Align the halves and snap them back together, test the fob buttons, and the remote lock function. Start by finding the seam and any tiny release notch along the key fob edge, then insert the flat tool carefully. Twist the tool lightly until the two halves begin to separate, keeping one hand steady to avoid slipping. Open the fob fully to expose the battery and the circuit board, making a note of battery orientation so you can reinsert correctly. Work slowly to prevent damaging clips or plastic tabs during the process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips and quick car maintenance guides. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy home helper to keep floors tidy while you handle small car chores, and it responds to voice control for hands-free convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the old battery using tweezers or a fingernail, and inspect it for corrosion or residue that may need cleaning. Slide the new CR 2032 into place matching the polarity marking, ensuring it sits flush and contacts are aligned. Close the key fob carefully, pressing the edges until all clips engage, then test the remote functions such as lock, unlock, and panic to confirm proper operation before returning the key to normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.